For this video, we're going to go through left2. So if the string length is less than or equal to 2, then we're going to return whatever the string contains. And if the string length is greater than 2, then we're going to place the first two characters from the string towards the end of the string, and vice versa. So we can start off by checking the string length. So if str.length is less than or equal to 2, then we're going to return the string, so return str. And if that's not the case, so we have else. And then we'll start off with return here. And we'll create two variables, which stores the first and the last. So string first is going to store the first two characters, str.substring, 0, 2. And string last will contain all the other characters. So it's going to start with 2 here. And then we're going to return exactly the opposite. So it's going to be return last plus first. And that will be the answer.